Hi guys, welcome to my channel. MediaTek Bluetooth is not working, it's keep crashing. Okay, so click to start. First restart your system. Then second, reinstall the Bluetooth driver. So click to start, type device manager. Okay, open it and then extract, find out the Bluetooth and extract, select this and right click to uninstall it. Then select the wireless Bluetooth, right click to uninstall. Click to uninstall. Okay. And then click to action and then click hardware changes. Okay, so it will come again like this one. And then right click to property, then power management. This is uncheck and then apply. Okay, and then close it. This is first method. Now second, next update driver. So open any browser, then type HP laptop driver download. Otherwise you can type directly MediaTek Bluetooth driver download. Okay, so this is Lenovo. So right click to go to this website. MediaTek Bluetooth driver, click to download. So after that it will start and then open it. Then okay, then next, install directly, next. Okay, and then close it. Then restart your system and then please check it. Thank you.